Hello and welcome back. We're currently on a weekend away at Llangollen, and while we were here we thought we'd take the trip out to Erddig House and Gardens, owned by the National Trust. So come with us and enjoy the views.
Thank you.
Having followed the signs down the long driveway to the car park, we were pleasantly surprised to find dedicated motorhome spaces, which is most unusual. Welcome to Erddig Hall, a late 17th century country house that the National Trust saved from dereliction in the 1970s. The house was built between 1683 and 1687 by Thomas Webb for Joshua Erddig, the High Sheriff of Denbighshire. Below stairs you not only find the kitchens and the servants' quarters, but the family had portraits made of all their servants, which showed how much they appreciated the work they did. Upstairs at Erddig is a treasure trove of fine furniture, textiles and paintings. One of Erddig House's ceramic treasures is this blue Delftware 17th century vase. It was created for one of William and Mary's palaces and bears the royal coat of arms. The private chapel at Erddig dates to 1726. Family members and servants attended chapel each morning at 9 o'clock. The fully restored 18th century garden has trained fruit trees, annual herbaceous borders and avenues of peached limes. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed our video, please like and consider subscribing. And don't forget to hit that notification bell. We're on Facebook, we're on Instagram, and you can read about our adventures on Blogger. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.